Welcome back to another video, guys. Out here on the land again, still working on stuff. We had the bulldozer come in, as you've seen in the last video. I may include this in the same video, I'm not sure yet, but we're out here blading. The bulldozer did a lot of work and the ground is very, very soft. So anywhere he went, it basically put ruts in the ground. I'll try to throw some before and after pictures up here, but we're just running around because the tractor is light enough that we don't punch into the ground. But we're running laps, dragging the blade, trying to get everything smoothed out. It's supposed to rain this weekend, so now is the best time to do it. So I'm gonna prop up on the truck here and enjoy watching the old 48 work. Alrighty guys, she's taking a break, working pretty hard. We're making quite a bit of progress. Now I'm going to show you kind of what the bulldozer left track mark wise versus what you can see behind me. It's pretty soft like I said earlier, but we are getting that top knocked off and you cannot see the track marks. So I'll take you down, I'll show you the gate area. You can obviously see this area. So this is our pad, this is where the shop's going to go. And as you can tell, these track marks are pretty deep. My hand, so what, 6 inches deep, and we're knocking this top layer off here. Already excuse the wind noise if there is any, but this looks really good. Now I'm not done, I still have a lot of work to do. We got some of the ruts here pushed in. You can see some here. We're gonna get all this smoothed out. This run did really good. I'm super happy with that, but we're gonna smooth this area out a little bit. Alrighty guys, so by now you have seen some drone footage. We are just after lunch now, so he went to get some stuff. We have the majority of the areas done. We have the front area by the gate. We have this back area. We could almost put a house out here, which would be amazing. But I'm splitting logs back here. We're just kind of taking our time. Huge stack of wood. It's going to take forever, but we're out here enjoying the nature. Hope everybody else is doing okay. Hopefully everybody's staying inside or at least getting outside and doing something away from all of this world pandemic stuff. So I'm going to leave you here. Hope you enjoyed the short little video. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and we will see you on the next one.